A very, very beautiful dessert. Magnolia Dessert. Recipe: strawberry and baby biscuit. We put baby biscuits through blender. For the pudding, we add flour, sugar, egg yolk, liquid cream, and milk. We mix it well. We put it on the stove and cook it until it reaches the consistency. We add a pack of vanilla sugar and beat well. Our pudding is ready. We put it in a bowl and let it rest for 1 or 2 hours. We slice our strawberries. We take a bowl for dessert and shape it by arranging the ingredients nicely. Strawberry, biscuit, and pudding come next. Yes, our strawberry magnolia dessert is ready. Bon appetit to everyone who tries it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.